How to mute someone's stories on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook application. Now, once you are here on the main news feed of your Facebook profile, you can see various stories of people who are added on your Facebook or people you follow. Now, once you see a story, long tap on it. Now, on top, you can see the option of mute. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now, you can choose the duration of how long you wish to mute that specific person's story. For now, I am going to tap on until I unmute it. Then tap on mute option. With that, you will successfully be able to mute someone's stories on Facebook. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.